You finish recording a dense 2-hour lecture. You need a bilingual transcript and meeting minutes, and you need them now. You upload the file to a standard AI tool, and it immediately throws an error. The audio exceeds the strict 25 megabyte API limit, so you slice the file into chunks and try again. This time, the system merges sentences unpredictably. By minute 3, the generated text is drifting seconds behind the actual audio track. And if you are working with Chinese or Japanese audio, the software often forces Western spacing rules between characters, leaving you with a fractured, unreadable block of text. You end up spending 3 whole hours manually adjusting timecodes, fixing line breaks, and patching API errors. The promise of an automated workflow fails when you have to do the heavy technical lifting yourself. Sheng Hung, known as Brother Dion, is a tech educator with a background in neuroscience and programming. He built an open-source solution to systematically handle these exact transcription bugs. He calls it the Video Subtitle Translator. It takes the fragmented process of slicing, transcribing, and formatting and collapses it into a single-click desktop assistant. This software addresses the structural failures of media processing head-on, handling the specific technical roadblocks that cause other transcription tools to break. To process multi-hour files without crashing, the system uses a feature called Smart Compression. This algorithm takes a dense video file, strips away heavy visual data, and isolates human vocal frequencies into a lightweight track. Because the file is significantly smaller, it slips under the 25 megabyte API limit. You can process a 3-hour seminar in a single upload. By removing the need to manually slice and re-export your media files, the tool eliminates a major technical friction point before the transcription even begins. To solve the issue of misaligned subtitles, the system runs a strict double timecode verification mechanism. The engine forces the AI into a strict one-to-one lockstep with the audio. If it detects even a fraction of a second of drift between the spoken word and the text, the system automatically retries that segment until it snaps into place. For Asian languages, the tool abandons Western word spacing rules entirely. Instead, it uses character-level slicing, optimized for kanji and Chinese, adapting line breaks to a natural, readable length. By combining precise synchronization with native text formatting, the system generates a dual-language subtitle track that is visually stable and properly timed from the start. Once the transcript is structurally aligned and formatted, the software pipes that text directly into the Gemini AI engine for deep analysis. The transcript flows into Gemini, which distills the conversation into clear outlines, core themes, and specific discussion details. Then, it isolates the actual decisions made. It scans the text for commitments and outputs concrete, trackable action items. The tool takes the raw noise of a recording and refines it into a knowledge engine, turning unstructured data into actionable intelligence. Think back to that 2-hour lecture. Now you simply drag the massive file into the interface and click Start. The entire pipeline runs invisibly in the background, extracting audio, compressing it, translating, aligning timecodes, and generating the Gemini summary. This provides leverage for content creators, online learners, and corporate professionals who need to move directly from a recorded event to a finished record. The real utility here is time. You stop acting as a data entry clerk for technical errors and start focusing on the actual strategy and content. You can download the Video Subtitle Translator from its open-source GitHub repository and take advantage of the generous free AI processing quotas built into the system. For deeper dives into AI automation, workflows, and courses, check out Brother Dion's YouTube channel and contact him directly for workshop opportunities. The era of manual transcription is over. Reclaim your time. 点个 AI 影音逐字稿会议记录摘要